So we are just going to pick up where we left off in that last video. If you didn't see the last video, you should go back and check it out. It's pretty cool. We append some tables together for this Bare Beauty company, this makeup company. So we're starting here with this big product table, and one of the main struggles that the owner of Bare Beauty had mentioned is that they're having problems with the pricing and the costs of their contours not coming in after they download their report. So we want to fix that while we're working through their reporting. I'm going to go ahead and click Data up here at the top, Get Data, Launch Power Query Editor. And if you were here for my last video, this should look familiar to you. We have these 10 different product tables and then the combined appended version right here at that bottom, product all. So there's a couple ways we can do this. You can see here how there's these null values in the contour line for price and cost. Since we started with 10 different tables, the easiest way to do this is just fix it at the table there's an issue at. Okay, this is the cleanest way. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the cells that has a value under price. And I am going to go up to transform up here at the top and fill up. And like magic, all of the empty cells are filled in. I'm going to do the same for cost. Fill up. Awesome. So this table is fixed, but what about our full product table? Let's go check it out. And voila, these ones are corrected as well. Now, if you only had a product list, a full product list, and you didn't have the individual tables broken down like this, we'll approach it a little bit different. We're going to take that step out and just pretend that we only have a product table. Okay, I'm going to first sort so that we have the contours on top. I just clicked this little down arrow in the column and I sorted ascending just to keep the contour stuff on top. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to click on the cell again and we're going to fill down. So everything with the missing value in the contours is now that 950 again. And we're going to do the same with cost. And I'm going to fill down. Remember, we filled up on the last one. We filled down on this one. If you're not sure which one to use, just play around with it. Remember, it's so easy just to delete steps here in this query settings. I mentioned this in the last video, but I want to mention it again just because this is so frustrating. If you accidentally get rid of this query settings, this is such a vital tool to have open at all times. You're just going to click up here at this View tab, Query Settings, and it pops right back up again. So that's it for this very short video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you'll come back for more.